Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tracking sticker on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna tracking this sticker, so you just click on a sticker and add the sticker that you want to tracking. I wanna try to add this one, this like this. And if you wanna tracking this sticker, you just click on this sticker, click on it, and after this at the menu you can swipe until you can see on tracking at the bottom. This one, click on it, and in here you can set the select an object to tracking like this. I wanna tracking with this head, so the object that's a head. So after this you can click on the start tracking, click on it, and finish. So that's how to tracking a sticker on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.